now. Okay, today we are thinking about dividing by 10. And do you remember last week we talked about dividing being grouping? So you could put things into groups of 10, or you could share among 10 people. So you would have 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people, and you had to divide into each. Now that would take quite a while, wouldn't it really? Some people think dividing by 10 is very, very easy, and it is when we're just doing our tables. So we're going to think about 30 divided by 10. And if I was to put a little dot and divide 30 out, every person would get 3. Because 30 divided by 10 is 3. Or if I was to put 30 into groups of 10, I would have 10, 20, 30. I would have 3 groups of 10. 30 divided by 10 means that everyone gets 3, or there are 3 groups. Now look, there's a very easy way. Some people say, oh, we just take off the 0. And 30 divided by 10 would be 3. 70 divided by 10. If we just followed that rule, 70 divided by 10 would be 7. And that works when we're just doing our simple tables. But whenever we get a little bit older and we're doing more difficult ones, we can't just say we're taking off the 0. Because maybe you'll have a number like 893 and there's no 0 to take off. So when you're dividing by 10, you need to remember that you are making everything 10 times smaller. So when we've got 30 divided by 10, that means 3 in the tens place and none in the units. When we divide by 10, we're going to make our 3 tens 10 times smaller. So he'll go into the units place. So 30 divided by 10 is 3. And that works when you get these bigger numbers. You're making everything 10 times smaller. Okay, now you've got to do your worksheets.